I'm Alexandra McNair with Fashion Forward, and thank you for participating in the Creative Together initiative. Today we're going to make thank you masks. We're doing this for 3 reasons. The first is to raise awareness about the importance of wearing masks in line with the CDC guidelines, especially during social distancing. The second reason we're doing this is to create a creative outlet for children and adults. And third is just to thank the workers, especially the essential workers that are out there today. So what better way to use clothes that you haven't worn in a while, an old handkerchief or a bandana, than to make a thank you mask. So I'm going to show you what you need to do, but first gather the supplies. We need tape, a pair of scissors, fabric, and a ruler. So you've gathered your supplies. You have a ruler, 2 rubber bands, some tape, and a pair of scissors, and of course your fabric. We suggest the fabric be about 11 inches wide by 16 inches long. If you have a young child, of course you can make it shorter than that, so perhaps 9 inches wide by 14 inches long. So first step is you're going to fold the bottom half into the center, then the top half into the center, like so. Then you're going to fold the top half into the center again, and the bottom half to the center. Take your 2 rubber bands and put them on either side of the fabric. Fold the fabric over like so to the center, and then your face mask is ready to be applied over your ears. So one way to get creative is to decorate your masks with your kid's favorite animal or superhero. Here I've got 3 examples of animal faces. So we have a cat, a bear, and a heart-nosed animal to show thanks to the essential workers. Here's what the heart-nosed version looks like. I'm Alexandra McNair with Fashion Forward. Thanks for joining me today with the Creative Together campaign. I had a lot of fun upcycling with you. Have fun and stay safe.